Toast Employee Login: How to sign in to Toast Employee account online. Hello everyone, I am Vishaka and welcome to our channel Create Login and Delete. Let's get right into the tutorial. In order to sign in to Toast Employee account, open your preferred browser firstly and in the search bar search for payroll.toasttab.com. In the interface that you will be led to, you will be asked to enter your email or your username. So go ahead and enter your email or your username and tap on Next. You will now be asked to enter your password. So go ahead and enter your password and then tap on the Sign In button and you will be logged into Toast Employee Login. Just in case if you have forgotten your password, then you can always go ahead and tap on the Forgot Password option and recover your password by following the prompts shown on the screen, and this is how you can log in to Trust Employee account online. If you find this tutorial helpful, do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for staying with us until the end.